this is Srikanth. Today I will explain about INT DAX function. Okay, see this here. This is INT and add number. Okay, INT means integer. Okay, let's check this DAX function. INT DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here. I'm already prepared some data and click new column and type here INT. See this here. Routes a number down to the nearest integer. Okay, let's do write this DAX function table name and column name. Close this parenthesis. See this here. INT is a DAX function name and sales is here. See this here and table name and sales is here. See this is my sales column name. Okay, let's check this DAX function and see this here. This is INT DAX function in Power BI desktop.